The agony of connecting the dots, written by Ugly Truth Man. We say agony when we feel an intense pain of mind or body, anguish. Torture is the agony of rejection, the agony of defeat. The struggle that precedes death. A violent struggle or contest, the agonies of battle. We are in agony when we want to change the world around us and make profit from this change. Money. We brainstorm every day, search ideas, work and learn, connect information and knowledge with inspiration and economic trends, waves of fear and incertitude, how to provide for the population their needs in exchange for their personal data, time, and money. With the hope that the two dots, our struggle, and the dot of vision, dream, will collide in creating the wealth we aim to have, one day, that promised day when we will make it. We will touch the point of a rich status, in wisdom, peace, and wealth, personal achievements and a better world for the people we love, and for the people that are our customers. And the emotion of when we talk with ourself, I made it, the so many no sleeping nights have paid us. Welcome to a new talk about Ugly Truth. You know me, Ugly Truth Man YouTuber. From the best idea from many, we choose one to materialize, to implement it and to open the door for the first customers equals money. The ugly truth is you cannot talk without knowledge and experience, you cannot create without inspiration, you cannot have inspiration if you don't have information, knowledge, and work, effort. Every day is hard, harder and heavy life lifting the daily changes life facts. Save yourself brother, change yourself sister. Anything we want in life is achievable, but learn first, do your homework, and then talk, create, go out on the scene of world. The joy of living, the music in daily life, we cannot reinvent the wheel. What we can is to reshape it and give a new color, or a new utility in the system of the world. Same with money, ideas, and things, we can give them a new sense of rotation. Meaning or make them a gift for those who need a wheel right now. Work for yourself after you worked for your employer, and one day, you will not work anymore. The question I have every day, what can I do with plus 12 hours daily? Now I take breakfast, prepare for work, walk to work, return from work, 12 hours. This is the ugly truth of working too much, and have little time for yourself and family, life, personal projects, and talking with people, listen to their stories and lessons learned from life. Not having worries encourage people to stay in the comfort of present. I cannot force the people I love, people from my family or friends circle, I cannot force them to learn new things, good for them, to read books about how money works, useful things, they don't listen and don't care, and the lonely walk for a better life, may be wealthy. This lonely walk is hard because it creates a distance between those who grow, and those who stay in the present fact of life, but it is only my dream. My sacrifice, time, and lifestyle effort, and the success will be my achieved goal. The last ideas episodes for this year 2020 will be about the power of word no. No is not an option. Another episode is about faith, the shop of God, and a new episode about wishes, ugly truth about Christmas wishes. Our actions and motivation are the fuel that must keep us walking forward toward our life path. If you look at life, habits, and thoughts, wishes, if we look from a sincere point of view, being honest with ourselves, we will observe that life will be more, will bring more, will change more, and the more, let's say, wealth, health, wisdom, peace, work, or dreams we have, the more difficult will be to live in a society that want to be you, have what you have, envy you, even hate you, but they don't copy you, learn from you, ask you how. Mediocre people, lazy people, naive and self-made poor. The more you change yourself, it will be hard to find new people, or a husband or wife, business partners, talk ideas partners, because we are rare human examples. We choose to think for ourselves, instead of consume other people's thoughts and manipulating words. I wish you a honest talk with yourself. Ugly Truth Man salutes you.